Hello and welcome. In this first Beekmarks tutorial, we are going to provide an overview of the Beekmarks app and introduce you to its basic features. What is Beekmarks? Beekmarks is a first-of-its-kind Bluetooth-based personal advertising system. The Beekmarks name was inspired by the concept of combining Bluetooth beacons with bookmarks saved in your web browser. Beacons plus bookmarks equals Beekmarks. The basic capabilities Beekmarks provides are very easy to describe, but profoundly powerful in action. Beekmarks allows you to quickly create small cards of content containing images, text, and hyperlinks that are optimized for display on mobile devices. Once created, that content can then be shared with other Beekmarks users who are physically close by via Bluetooth, usually detectable within a 30 to 50-foot radius from the broadcaster. Users discover other nearby Beekmarks by leveraging the search function available in the Beekmarks app. After conducting a search, a user can then choose to save any of the nearby Beekmarks they discover to their account. Each time a search is conducted and an individual Beekmark is selected, the date and time and location are also captured so that the users can keep track of where, when, and how many times they've encountered that other user's Beekmarks. The search history function also allows users to refer back to the content of all the users they might have discovered while performing a search at any particular location and time. This feature allows you to review the content of any Beekmarks you might discover anytime after the fact, no matter where you might have originally encountered it. And that's it. In a nutshell, the Beekmarks app allows you to create, broadcast, discover, and save small cards of content with other people who are physically close to you. There are many additional features available to assist you in managing the Beekmarks you collect and enhance your experience while using the app, and we'll be covering those in the next few tutorials. See you then!